What's up, dudes? It's your boy Hyped, and today I'm in Bali Bird Park. It's basically a bird park. I mean, like, they have birds here. They have parrots. I was just scaring one. So?
Yes, please.
It's a 4K cinema. We're going inside it. Damn, the camera's hot after watching the show. It's really hot outside. Hello, how you doing? Whatever. All of these birds are really rare. They're actually rare birds. The one went just past me.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, our last list of pursuits and our last bird calls for today. And for the next event, we have feeding time. So you can join us to get all our birds here. So once again, thank you very much.
All of these birds are really rare.
Enjoy the rest of your holiday on the new island of Bali. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Right now I'm on a bridge. We were sitting there before. What's up, guys? It's your boy Hype. I'm afraid I have to end the video, but before I end the video, I'm in a duck restaurant that's really famous. I just want to show you it. I just finished eating, so sorry I can't show you the food. Too bad. So yeah, Hindus worship these things again. That's rice field. This is rice field. I mean, I have no idea what's that. Maybe it is, but even bigger. The restaurant is called Bebek Bangil. I think it means dirty duck. Yes, I ate dirty duck. When I say that, I mean dirty duck that's been cleaned. So yeah, this basically means dirty duck, I think. Hey, dirty ducks. I don't want to touch you. Ew. Don't know what's that, but it looks like a temple. Hi, dirty ducks. You're very dirty. Why would I touch you? Oh wait, you've been cleaned, right? Oh, I think they're gonna kill you right now so you can be food. Okay. I don't know what else to say.